I'm Dr Ruth Corbally, GP and Powys GP Lead for the Macmillan Primary Care Cancer Framework. So why are holistic needs assessments important? Well, they're so valuable for supporting people living with cancer because they help to find out what matters most to the person, their family, and those who support them. It's a supportive conversation where you can speak freely about whatever may be bothering you or you're struggling with, so that we can understand your concerns and needs. Cancer can have a huge impact on everyone involved. Apart from the cancer and any treatments, it can affect every aspect of life. By understanding what's important to you, we can focus our attention on finding support that's right for you. Be it financial advice, how to manage with extreme tiredness, help to continue going to that meet-up with someone on a Wednesday morning in the park, or how to talk to your family or children, whatever age they may be, about what is happening. Living in Powys, we are often quite a distance from the specialist teams in the hospitals. Having a holistic needs assessment locally can help provide support closer to home and find services in your community or online which can help to meet your needs.